Hello there.
Hi, we are in Stockholm, Sweden.
And it is a beautiful morning. We are starting this video in a different area of Stockholm. So right behind us, you can see it right there, is Parliament House. And it is impressive.
Yeah, we're walking across a bridge here because Stockholm is situated over 14 islands.
That's a lot. That's a lot of islands.
Yeah. So our first stop on this video is going to be the Medieval Museum.
Yes, the Stockholm Medieval Museum, which I believe, if I'm correct, is going to be down those stairs across the street. But we can also see some water over here, but it's moving fast. Be careful with the ice here.
Yeah.
This is not like Denmark. I don't think they rent little boats to go down that. That would be a little dangerous. But yeah,
Which I think
us.
that would make these canals.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense, right? Canals. But yes, join us for this episode and check out what we see on this side of Stockholm.
Oh,
it's
the
beautiful.
National Museum is across the way that way.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
The Grand Hotel.
Good stuff. All right, one thing about the Medieval Museum that you should know, it's free admission.
And we love free.
So if you're walking around and you want to check out some history, this is your spot. We do have to be careful on these stairs. It's pretty icy.
Where they go.
Maybe it's like within the bridge.
Oh, I think it's here to the left.
That's cool. So it's under one of the bridges.
It's like in a dungeon. Here we go.
That's interesting.
Oh. Is it noon? Yeah, right. It's open.
Closed on Mondays. We found that a lot of things are closed on Mondays. Wow. Is it more like a gift shop? Let's see. All right, that was cool.
That was probably the coolest thing.
If you're here, it's a must. You have to go to the Medieval Museum.
I mean, first of all, it was free,
Yeah,
right? Number
yeah,
one.
yeah.
It was way bigger than I thought it was going to be. I
Sure.
figured it was just like this little underground thing. I don't know what I figured, but it was massive.
Yeah. So the idea is, or what happened, the Parliament needed a parking garage, and they started building this, or they were going to dig around here to get there. And when they started digging, they found like these ancient walls and ruins. So they continued to dig and they found a whole bunch of stuff. So they built a museum around it instead.
Yeah, so needless to say, no parking lot. I'm guessing they park somewhere else now. But yeah, they found a lot of really neat things. There was even activities for the kids. There was a little workshop in there that you could pay. I think it was like 20 kronas to get in there and do some crafts.
Yeah, really cool. So stop by if you're close in like Slusen or the Old Town. This is a great place to visit. We're walking along. I think we found a rooftop bar to go to watch the sunset, and hopefully they have those space heater things.
That would be the ideal way to watch sunset right now.
It's kind of chilly. It's not cold, but it's...
Now it's been in the probably mid to high 30s, but the wind is what makes it feel like still like high 20s maybe. But we stumbled across this city center park. I would try to say it, but I'm just gonna butcher it. So I'm gonna give it an attempt. So it's Kungstradgarden. I don't know if at all that's how you say it. But what's really neat is during the winter they have an ice rink around here. So it's quite large. I want to see if maybe we could see the ice rink up ahead.
Is this not winter?
Well, yeah, but I think it's over there. During the spring, it looks like the pictures are really pretty. There's some really pretty trees. All the trees are...
All these guys.
They're sleeping right now. But I bet you it looks really pretty all snowy too. Let's check out.
Probably. I am glad that we missed the snow from last week and the only remnants left are
I mean, it would be pretty to see it, but yeah, I don't want to be in it.
Yeah.
Also, check out this church over on the left-hand side. The color is just striking against all the other buildings. It makes it pop.
The red and the green.
Yeah.
With the gold trim. Yeah. That is cool.
Alright, I believe we gotta go up this street, but I just want to scope out because I think there's the ice rink. There's a little coffee shop in between here.
Oh, I do see people skating around.
So it's like a little Central Park action going on.
Look, another kitty. So somebody tell us, why are there lions and I guess
these statues?
They're everywhere. We've seen them on bridges and on the sidewalks. I've just been calling them kitties when we walk by.
All right. Oh, you have to use your own skates if you're coming.
You may use your own skates.
Oh, got it. Limited number of skates will be available. You cannot pretend you're a hockey player. Oh, and you gotta wear a helmet if you're a child. If I was attempting to ice skate, I would also be wearing a helmet. Oh, this looks so fun.
It's really busy.
I wonder what time everybody gets out of work here. And school. You think like 4, 5?
Probably earlier. For context, it is Tuesday today.
Yes, and it is 3:57 right now.
Oh, look at that fresh snow pile over there. I do not have my gloves in my pocket, so I'm not gonna touch the snow.
Oh, looks like they have some restaurants around here. Very cool area.
Cafes, yeah.
Oh wow, look at all the snow out there.
Yeah. I wonder if they just put all the snow from here over there.
Shove it somewhere.
Well, that's great. We made it to our rooftop bar, and it's quite nice. And there are heaters everywhere, so we're okay.
But look, let me grab the camera real quick. Check out this view right there. Look how pretty that is, and even behind there. This is just really, really cute. What did we get at the table?
We ordered crisps, and it's got
These are special crisps.
caviar on it, and your boy doesn't eat seafood.
Just pretend it's not really caviar.
But I really want some crisps.
So do you think that looks like mayo?
I'm gonna let you try it because I think that's that squeezy thing. The squeeze.
The squeezy caviar.
You try. You try.
All right. Well,
Look, I think I see a chip without. Oh no, it's gone.
You gotta go from the back, right there.
Where?
All those in there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go big. So I'm gonna go for this one, right here. There we go.
So who would like to have the tutu? Right there for you.
Thank you.
And the carrot surprise.
Oh wow. Thank
Enjoy.
you.
I've got a baby carrot in mine.
That is delicious. You can't even taste that it's caviar. I promise you.
No. I'm not feeling it. I'm not
I
feeling it.
promise. I would never steer you wrong.
I'm gonna try my baby carrot juice.
Oh my gosh. So delicious.
So this has got Black Barrel Jameson in it and carrot juice.
And mine has ginger. What else did it have?
I don't remember.
Ginger,
it's
honey.
and Bacardi.
Yeah.
And my Black Barrel Jameson is so good.
Amazing.
Takes me back to Ireland. But the baby carrot is hilarious.
I think you should just try it.
No,
Just do it.
I'm gonna let you enjoy this, and I'm gonna stick to my baby carrot.
Fine.
And we will see you next week.